have to come out and take a look at this excellent, move-in ready 5-bedroom, 4-bath home in Indigo Springs located in Northeast Columbia. This home is very clean and modern with an open floor plan. Has an unbelievable kitchen in size, quality with stainless appliances and island. Master bedroom is oversized with walk-in closet, garden tub and separate shower. All rooms are a great size. Have peace of mind with the transferable termite bond. Call to see this before it's gone. What are you waiting for?